only India. Either particularly India, either we should emerge as a industrial sector or else, if not, agriculture sector. Because of 60% of the population still even today they are living on the agriculture sector. But rather than they are shifting to focus about to the service sector, that is a negative side to the development of any country, not only India but also other many countries.
I will add one or two points in this regard. Because of globalization, even though government is supporting globalization, liberalization, and the policy is also framing to promote globalization and global trade, but domestic industries are say negatively affecting because of globalization. Because domestic companies and Indian-based companies are not able to compete with the global companies.
This is a challenge at what
This is a challenge because the Indian-based companies are having limited resources and there are some domestic problems, operational problems. So these companies cannot say compete with the global companies. Companies like, let us say, Sony is there. So in India we have so many other companies are there.
We have Videocon as an Indian brand.
Indian brands. For example, though we are interested in Indian brands, but from the quality point of view, then normally people go for the Sony, isn't it?
In terms of technology.
Technology and how they are refining the products and how they are changing the product features. So in that angle, then even though we are in India, then we are forced to buy global products only. As a result, then Indian companies are somewhat negatively affecting. Not only in electronic industry, you take in now car market is the best example. Car market almost before 2000 only take Maruti in collaboration with Suzuki and Hyundai. Only these two companies are say producing, selling in India. Now if you see car market, almost all multinational companies which are based in Japan, Germany and America, almost all cars are say selling in India. Take Skoda or Volkswagen.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly Ford. Okay. Now the BMW. Then what is that? One more car, Audi. So almost all cars are entering into Indian market.
But how about our good old Hindustan Motors?
Hindustan Motor Ambassador is there. Now that is gradually it is now replacing. Because people are not buying, even government departments also not buying say Hindustan Motors Ambassador car.
Which is
Once upon it
brand.
was one of the best cars.